Hey guys, Ali from Alta. Good to see you here. Hey, we're here. I wanted to go over the Arcylon some more with you as far as the setup and the way this rack works. So we've talked about the swing arms and being adjustable for the wheelbase. So you're gonna come in and like zoom in on these parts. So we're gonna have the 5/8 holes that allows you to adjust these swing arms in and out. Well, what's even more important is this ramp mount. We have a ramp mount that mounts right in front of the rack itself. This is facing away from the vehicle, which allows you to do two things: is mount the ramp obviously, and mount the straps. And tertiary is actually, you'll get these carabined straps that will have direct mount to that ramp mount right there. Give you that super solid feel of the rack. This is going to be repeated on both sides, as you can see. This is such a cool stand, isn't it? And this stand, by the way, we have an adapter that's coming out that's going to allow you to mount it horizontally, so you can put these motor carriers on there. So again, you're going to get these carabiner retractable straps. This one's going to go to your chain loop on your vehicle, and the other one's going to get mounted on the ramp mount, giving you a super solid feel. You're going to have these 4 straps that come in built into the rack itself that are going to these swing arms that brings it in, and you could micro adjust this swing arms for that wheel waist to get that perfect hug feeling on your wheels. This is Ali from Alta Racks. Jay's holding the camera. Have a great day, y'all.